All right, this is Chaotic Crypto, where we defy tyranny. It is January 15th, 2025, and we got a nice bounce in the crypto markets. We had some positive data, kind of basically inflation data was as expected, and believe there is some cooling effects, which is actually going to help us get lower interest rates, which is the main thing. Everyone was worried that the Fed was going to decrease interest rates. Though, looking at the chart right now, we are still in this bullish pennant right now, so it is somewhat possible that we could still go down to 87,000. So this crazy hype that we're having right now, just be careful with it until we break out of this little wedge thing. We're not out of the clear yet, so just be be a little wary. Um, myself very much included. Um, but what we're having is probably like a pre Trump rally type of thing going on right now. Yeah, so we're at 70. We're already kind of going up there in the greed. I don't like this. This is actually the fear and greed index on this site isn't as good. It's really just about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin controls everything, so you kind of have to pay attention to it. But there are other the coin market cap, fear and greed, I believe, is a little bit better. So that's at 51. That's more accurate to me. Um, yeah, dominance 56%. So that's one good thing is that the Bitcoin dominance, yeah, we got a rejection and we're probably going to go down from here. So it's positive momentum with that. Very nice, very nice. So got some good momentum there. Cryptos are just they're really ripping. Like it's really good to see some positive price action. Let's see what's happening the most. Toshi, I actually bought a little bit of this. Um, Finally, some of the I guess meme coins are starting to come back. Alchemy, I'm glad I bought a little bit of this. Interesting. So the AI tokens are actually ripping right now. That's cool because I bought a bunch of those. I kind of called it. I don't know if I called it on the show a couple days ago, but yeah, I must have done something good. And by the way, please click like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Any kind of interaction will help me help you. So basically, I mean, the crypto bull market is here. The purpose of this channel really is to just gain awareness, give whatever perspective I can on the market, and figure out when to actually probably take some profits. This isn't financial advice, but like the market has pretty much started its bull run. I mean, we've been running actually for quite some time now. Let's figure out where we at here. Chart. Just going to zoom out a little bit. I mean, we've been in a bull run technically since 2023, beginning of 2023. We bottomed in 2022. We've been going up ever since. So it's 2 3 years. This is going to be the final year of the bull market, more than likely, until we have a correction, a major correction for a while. So I mean, while it's mainly been Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoins have not run yet, and they're about to run. They're about to go. Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance. I mean, it's probably making a double bottom right here. Interesting. Bitcoin to Ethereum. I mean, I bet, if you wanted to be somewhat, the line to break would be probably right here, 0.05. And then from there, you'd probably want to take some profits in some of these zones here. Probably get another kind of line there. This would be kind of a zone where we don't know if Ethereum will break that. It might come back down, but that's a year from now. But we'll have to see. Dixie looks like it. Let's see what it did. A little bit of indecision candle on the weekly so far. There's probably room to run, but that might be it for the Dixie. I'd be surprised if it made much more of a run up. Zero token still is pretty cheap, 14 cents. I think it went down to 12, 11 or 12 cents. Cardano ADA looking, yeah, again, we're making bullish pennants, bull flags. We're going to want to break out at 110, 112 with conviction before we start going up again. My target for ADA is like $5 to $7, honestly. At least the all-time high of 3. Algorand has been making some moves. There's some momentum coming with Algorand. Actually, a lot of volume coming in. Wouldn't sleep on this one. Previous all-time high was 278. It's kind of moving a little bit almost like XRP. So I mean, if this thing just rips, it might go $2 pretty quickly. So just be ready for Algorand to run. Cosmos has been a sleeper, but I mean, I think this thing will start running here pretty soon. I mean, this year's gonna be the year for the altcoins, and you're not gonna hear much. Everyone knows what Bitcoin is. You're gonna be hearing about Ethereum and Solana, Cardano, and we'll have to see what else we're gonna hear about. Might hear about Dot, SUI, SEI, ICP, Filecoin. And you might hear about the blockchain mining stocks. I think they're gonna get ready to run. Near Protocol. I think you're gonna hear a lot about Near Protocol. Ontology, not really sure what's going on with this bad boy. I hold it. You get like 17% rewards Ontology gas on Exodus wallet, which is interesting. I wouldn't fade it. And I wouldn't fade Solana either. I mean, yeah, Solana's made a lot of crazy runs. It's gone from $7, $8, $10 to 200 to 63 at the top. Actually, I didn't know it went to its all-time high. Interesting. Interesting. I think minimally $400 to $500 for Solana, a double, easy double, I believe. Theta, Theta has plenty to run. It's like a decentralized streaming application. So that's a 10x, 7x for Theta just alone. Total market cap, I did remember I saw it come down to 3 trillion, which was what I was hoping for. There is a nightmare scenario where it could go down to 2.7, 2.8 trillion. But I think we have had our correction, to be 100% honest. Yeah, we had our bounce off here. That looks pretty good for total market cap, total 3 or total 2. Total 3 could still possibly come down to 792 billion. I doubt it. That might be like the next bear market, maybe. Uh, Possibly somewhere in the zone. 1 trillion to trillion. Yeah, that could be the next bear market area. If I had to guess, probably somewhere between these areas. Just want to put it here just for future reference. Hmm. Where's Tron at? Tron went up to 45 cents. It's looking like it's starting to bounce. That's a hell of a wick, but I mean, I think we're on at least go back to 44 cents this bull run, or at least somewhere in the 37 cents range. We'll have to see. Let's get this thing a little closer. Sorry, I tend to look at this monitor more than the other. I probably need to adjust this a bit more. Let's make sure that I'm still talking to everybody here. Good. Right. Yeah. I don't know if you noticed, there's a Celsius shirt right here. It's one of the most expensive shirts you probably ever see. Expensive, cheap t-shirts of, you know, tens of thousands of dollars probably worth of value on that shirt. Down the drain. Thank you, Alex Mashinsky. I'm still waiting to hear what's going to happen to the Ionic digital stock. How many? It's been like a year. Like, what are y'all doing? Give me my money, please. Tezos, I saw there was something, someone was talking about it today. I think Crypto Banter wanted to talk about it. So Tezos might be something to look at. GRT, I mean, we're still in a bear market with a lot of these crypto like the altcoins. I mean, we're still at these severe lows. We're not like getting crazy yet, right? I mean, Kava, Injective is looking interesting. I think Injective might go to $100 with Injective. It's a 4x, 5x. H bar. I don't like this chart because it's not complete, but I think H bar is at least going to 60, 80 cents, probably a dollar or two. What else to look at? All right. Smart bots. Yeah, the big thing is right now AI agents, AI tech, different AI things. I mean, AI and meta and gaming haven't really run yet, so that's probably going to be the next big run in crypto, more than likely, unless there's something we don't know about. AI agents maybe. See, XRP leads rebound. CPI reports in. Bitcoin strategic reserve bill introduced in Oklahoma. Bitcoin miners, economic irrationality can be fatal. Top 3 altcoins to
Here's the
watch
top
list.
3 altcoins that should be on your list.
Yeah. By XRP, Link, and Cardano would be my guess. I don't want to rip off someone else right now. I believe that gets me a copyright strike too. Let's see what else is going. Monkey. There's definitely a resurgence of meme coins right now. Zeus, Chill Guy. The biggest ones, obviously. I don't know what Pippin was. Army? What is that? Yeah, Toshi. I'm glad I bought this. Let's see. Let's look at Toshi. Let's look at Toshi on the market. Let's see what number is 421. Now, the reason I would say look at Toshi is that, you know, millennials will know it, Yoshi, Yashi, but also like um Satoshi, right? So, you know, Satoshi Nakamoto is supposedly the founder of the Bitcoin thing, so Toshi's kind of a short for that. See, Toshi's a musician. The other thing is Nakamoto Games. I wonder how that one's doing. Anything with Satoshi or Nakamoto is probably going to do. Let's see. Nakamoto Network, not tracked. I mean, this one is kind of a sleeper gem, I would say. It's number 521. It's pretty high up on the market cap. I mean, if this goes to the top 1 or 200 and then go, there's a lot of possibilities with that. Another one to look up. I don't know if it's out yet. Yeah, this price isn't tracked yet. But this is one you may be able to look up. Remedix, RTX. It's definitely one to keep track of. I made a little early investment, my first initial ICO sort of thing. I've never done one before, tried it out. But Binance actually talked about Remedix not too long ago. So they did an article. It's been all over the place. So that might be one worth looking at. Let's see what else we got here. But I think like really we're off the races. But when I was looking at the Bitcoin, it does look, I mean, we are in a bullish pennant. It's just there is a possibility that we can go down to 86, 87K. There's a possibility of that. It could be over the next couple of weeks, right? Over the next 3 weeks, we could have more consolidation under 100K, which would be a good thing. Um, Not saying that's going to happen. The longer the consolidation, really, the better. We've already been consolidating 4 or 5 weeks, really 7. Where do we pop out at? I mean, really, the hype kind of ended the end of November. I mean, we made those big runs right around election time, and it kind of slowed down. We've been in a month-long correction, so I mean, I don't think it's going to last much longer. But just be ready if we do get a little more correction. And also, there's a lot of ETF hype, and I think this cycle is going to be probably one of they'd probably call this the ETF hype cycle. So, Solana, I've heard XRP, I've heard HBAR, I've heard Litecoin will be the next ETFs. Probably not SUI, or it's gonna have they're gonna have to be like the bigger market cap ones. Yeah, I mean, I would say Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We already have these two at ETFs, so it really kind of makes sense that they would just go by market cap. I don't know if they could do an ETF for Tether, but maybe they could. I mean, so by market cap, honestly, your next ones are Tron, AVAX, XLM, SUI. I didn't know SUI. I didn't know these were so high up on the market cap. Okay. Link. I could see it. Link and HBAR dot. Yeah, I think there's a lot of excitement out there. Just I think what may happen is we may get a dip tomorrow, regardless. A dip over the weekend, and how far it goes, I do not know. But you may get one more buying opportunity, and that's probably going to be it for the major caps. After that, you're going to have to chase the smaller caps and just trade and kind of do what you can with the rest of the cycle. I mean, it's possible this thing kind of comes to an end by late spring, and then maybe we get another late pop in the fall again. I'm not too sure. I'm not banking on that too much. But we'll have to see. I want to jump off here, but there's a lot of opportunity out there. A lot of, like, I would say pay attention to what is is popping this week. I wouldn't be careful with the meme coins. I might have to buy some more Toshi though. But just be careful out there. See what's really running. But you know, it's gonna be all right. We made it through that dip. Hang in there, hodl on, and we'll check back in tomorrow. Peace.